officially.
Tirin chinda chube chizi nishu tsasum nyingi nga rucha tsui gube to sugar gewe podang nangdu pimi nana mebe uti chinor khonsa kiamgyuen chenpo cho ushu to gechi gekab drami nala shite tang chizo la pimpe lejar gengurwa ka chikdan lendu mikse jemyo ki lenzo ting shibate unzu nangba tang del khonsa kiamgyuen chenpo cho ne zambuling di tola te shimbe kanye nam shenyuen ki to ne setup na gyobe lamdun kadin ze song.
We too much emphasis differences, including religious faith, and nationality, color. It creates more problem, more division, isn't it? Huh? So, for such sort of a situation, the only remedy is we must go deeper level. We are same human being.
Taeyang arena la tenshi chebe United States Institute of Peace chebe shide tine kan ki jilu nye tong chudu lone song tenkap mautu tang misu tajor so che zata ki kanye te shibe yudu ka chi ki shonke koti minyuwa shik dogon to sugar gewe porang to konsa chodan hen to jemyo ki lenzo shik koti shushin yoba tang teng di lenzo tola Afghanistan tang Tunisia tishin Burma Somalia Syria Venezuela Nigeria, Libya, Iraq, Colombia, Lo Sudan so Jacob Mindawa Chungi ne Shunke Tang Nishu Zadu Lenshu Nang Dog.
His Holiness, my name is Cherry. I came from Myanmar, Burma.
His Holiness, my name is Sebastian Huertas from Colombia.
Kapter Konsa Kyamgyuen Chimpo Cho Ki Shunke Tsoja Watang De Yu Yong La Tsamdi Tang Del Zambuling Di Tola Yobe Dowa Minam Chigla Chikdin To Tsoto Che Shimbe Chizo Chigi Miyimba Chigzong Yinyang Minam Rimbe Chalong Chungkap Nga Tang Ko Nye Gekap Tang Kyu Gekap So Enje Ki Samlo Cheru Chinde Zambuling Di Tola Kanye Damin Soshin Yoba Deje Tang Da Kanye Teda Zobo Nga Zo Dowa Mi Chigyur Ki Samlo Chung Tabe Wanki Yongki Yoba Reje Katze Song.
Lot of problem which we are facing is essentially our own creation. That's very clear. Oh. And all these, the ultimate source is too much emphasis we and they. A lack of sense of oneness of human being.
Hawar to Gombukanyi Cho ne, Kanye Teda Setup Ki Tamlam Sangshu Teni, Tenki Shenyang Lopsu Namlu La Yurchu Shik Tangde, Chalno Chung Shimbe Mirab Sola, Droa Mi Chigur Ki Samlotang, Mi Tumu Mayimbe Rinda Tola Lopti Shuk Chezam Na Yube Lamde Na Yu.
Through education, we should change that. Education, the basic human nature, more compassionate, that basic human value through education must preserve or further strengthening. So I feel the existing education is not adequate to bring a student with a healthy mind.
Tishin Kapter Shunke Tsojarwa Kajine Sosu Gegab Nala Chungbe Mautu Tu Pama Bunche Sebe Nedan Tang Miri Yenje Ki Kanye Sole Tu De Kongsa Cho La Kanti Kaji Shu Somba Tang Kapter Gumbu Kanyi Cho Ne Sosu Pama Bunche Sekin Shigina Yang Tela Drabu To Ne Dalen Loba Yina Kanye Setab Meba Mase Rimbe Drawu Mangtu Do Yu Yu Shigindab Tu Tauto Sosu Drawu La Nyingje Tang Suba Gombe To Tsewa Mebe Tumu Ki Lamne Kanye Shiti Yongtab Na Yu Ke Chimbo Yimba Tang Tedar Nanse Tirinki Trawuti Rimbe Raniki Chobu Yakshu Shikdu Yurtube Gezen Yu Che Kade Nang Song.
Someone killed your mother. Then, in order to revenge, try to kill these people. That creates more enemy. Try to talk with the killer and you show patience and forgiveness, then that person may become also the friend of yourself. It's much better.
Shi Tse Teng di Lenzo Tola Pepe Shunke Namgi Lungbe Nang La Mangchu Tang Zunyo Damin Chungshin Yodab, Kongsa Yam Yun Chenpu Cho Ne Tukzu Soki Kanye Chenpu Te Shimbe Tukab Ter, Shunke Namne Simshu Namya Chagyu Meba Tang, Netun Kangda Shi Yinya Changbu Tang Laksam Dembe To Ne Donlen Nangna, Nin Shi Gega Tomye Yimbe Lamdun So Yan Nang Yu.
In such period, I want to share on determination, willpower should keep, and believe truth. So with believe truth, you should carry your work honestly, truthfully. Then strength come, or power from truth come. Long run, power from gun is short, temporary. Power of truth remain long.
They're in very difficult circumstances.
Tari dirpebe shunge nam yundune jike susu sani nanglia shidi chundopsu kanyo damin dongle nangi chayore songzang tari kong nam kongsicho ki chungniya simki shidi soge kola kalu shugyu chunga teyi pranzola ya jike rewa palmashik chungyu rewa yure.
Who do not want to engage in the work of peace.
My name is Victor Ochen.
Nyemela Victor Ochen tangara Ugandani Daring Constitution Kalu Lamdun Kinan Tsote Nganzu Mi Sube Kangi Teta Settle Nangu Kichimu Bata Laban to Shunke to Jizona Kangi Yubekabso Sim Shooter Rewa Mala Beton Dungun Nanko Bekalu de Sim Social Song.
My name is Naomi
Yini
Apoki.
la
I'm from
Nomi
Nigeria.
Yakoki ngara Nigeria ni tari kongsicho ki 제가 토베데 문이 갑시라 중송 마세 kongsichone 참제 공배 동규타 지존나래야 체외기 레가 치규메버 속이 람드 망부시나송 람튼 tinsu 문에 되게 고구시레 삼기도 나라인의 치수 수수 지존나래 여비슌게 졸래야 지게 kongsicho기 깔루 텐조 로베
More
치기
youths. From what I have learned here, I'm going to go spread the knowledge to more youth.
Shi Tse Kongsa Cho Ushu To Geji Gekab Damina La Shidi Tang Jizo La Pembe Lechar Kenkuwa Kaji Tang Lendu Nang Shimbe Mikse Jemyo Ki Lenzo Ting Shibate Tering Tang Sanyi Je Nintang Ni Giring Sugar Gewe Potang Nangdu Tsoge Yobar Re.